Would you like to increase the amount of tips you receive as a barber? In today's video, 5 tips on how to do exactly that.
Don Blanco, the barber.
Hey, I'm Don Blanco, a licensed professional barber from California. The goal of this channel is to assist barbers on their barbering journey. Here we discuss barbering as a profession, growing your business, the clippers, and beyond. Let's get into it. Today we have 5 tips on how to increase the amount of tips you get as a barber. Good service is not going to be on the list of tips because we're already going to assume that you're already giving out great haircuts and great customer service as a standard of business. When we talk about tips, this is the amount that clients pay us above and beyond what we charge for services. Some folks think that tips are a requirement, but really they're not. Tips are a way for clients to say thank you for what we do above and beyond giving great service and a great haircut. Let's start with tip number 5. Improve your consultation skills. I have received so many new clients that tell me that previous barbers never really listened closely to what they asked for. When you start the consultation, make sure you're ready to really listen to exactly what the client wants. Come from behind the chair, make eye contact, and listen to what they're asking for. If anything needs clarification, make sure to ask additional questions. Repeat back to them their requests so that they understand that you know exactly what they're looking for. Finally, make sure to tell them you understand exactly what they want and do it like you know how. Number 4, develop a genuine connection with your client. We all have been to the restaurant with that one server who's got the fake smile and this goofy, forced, disingenuous attitude, like in this happy-go-lucky mood that you know they're not in. Let's never do that. What I personally like to do is just listen to what clients like to talk about. Then I find out of that conversation what is genuinely interesting to me and discuss that with them. Remember, if you fake nice, it'll be so transparent. Which leads us to tip number 3, which is be irreplaceable. Honestly, the majority of what we do could be done by someone else. But the one thing that's different about us than everyone else is our own unique individual selves. It sounds corny, but there's only one of each of us. Our personality, our style, our way of dealing with clients, all of that makes us irreplaceable because no one can do it quite like us. Add that to actually caring about what your clients want and doing it all in an authentic way, watch the tips add up. Your uniqueness, along with caring about what they want and being authentic, is really gonna help you out. Tip number 2 is give away a free service to repeat customers. I know you're like, come on Blanco, give away stuff? I'm in this to make money. But it's been my experience in life that the more you give, the more you receive. Everyone loves the idea of getting something free. And honestly, I like to reward repeat customers with a little something free every time. For instance, I charge for a razor finish on a lineup. But if a client makes an appointment with me every week or every 2 weeks, I'm going to let him have a razor finish for free. Every time I give freely, I tend to receive freely. If you've noticed that in your life, hit the like button and let me know something. Now for the number 1 tip on how to increase your tips as a barber: agree, empathize, and correct any problems. That's the formula. If someone points out that you made a mistake, don't smooth it over. I know we're pretty good, we all got bars, but we all make mistakes. Start out with empathizing. You can make a statement that's really easy, such as, man, you spend way too much money with me to be leaving with your hairline like that. Let me fix that real quick. When you take that approach, you're agreeing with them and you're empathizing with how they feel about it. Then simply just fix the mistake. Trust me, your tips will be on the way up. Are you already doing some of these things? If so, let me know what in the comments. Also, if you're not subscribed by now, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when new videos drop. Hit the like button too, because it's like money for me and it really helps the channel. Well, that's all I got for today. We'll see you next week. Which leads us into tip number 3, which is be... Who is it? Who is it? Who is at the door?
You don't answer it?
No, I'm trying to record.
Because it might need a signature or something.